Welcome back to the Pullman Fabric Kayak 2.0. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna take this out here and put it on the scale. You can see there on the ground, and then I'm gonna put the camera on the scale or beside the scale. I'm gonna carry the boat out here and put it on the scale and see if we can get a weight on this thing. I'm thinking around 52, 55 pounds. So I'm gonna bring y'all out here. And then lower it down a little bit. Put y'all right at the scale. Let's see. I don't know. I guess you're gonna have to be on this side. And then I'm gonna get the kayak and put it on there. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Knocking the camera over here, scratching something. It's heavy. Yep, it's not gonna go that way. It's just too much for me, so I'll just do it on the side. Got 11 foot of kayak here. I'm trying to balance and lift up. Oh, there you go. Looks like it's right on 60 pounds. Must have gained some weight. Alright, so I had a lot of people asking about that. And I want to go ahead and get a weight on it. That was a scary ladybug. Not too bad. And it will sit on its side, so if for some reason you need to lay it down on its side, there you go. Alright, everybody, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you soon on the next segment of the 11-foot kayak 2.0.